Hi, folks. Rick Kirkham here. Today we're going to learn how to capture an image, a screen capture, from your Android phone. And we're going to go ahead and capture my contact information because this is part of another video that I'm working on. So, a lot of Android phones are different. So, try pressing your power button and your volume down and hold it down for a few seconds. If you don't hear a snap like a camera, then that's the wrong one. In this case, I've discovered that on my Android phone, I push the power button and the home button at the same time. Now listen, you might be able to hear this. Okay, not that time. Sorry. Let's do it again. Power button and home button at the same time. There we go. I don't know if you were able to hear that or not. Now, the next issue is finding your image. So to do that, we can once again push your home button, push your apps button, and now you see the search up here. So what you do is click on search for apps, and on my phone, I want my files. That's a folder application. So once again, yours might be a little bit different. So I tap on my files, and if you hadn't searched for that before, by the way, you might have had to type in my files, and whatever the name of your folder application is, that's probably what would come up. And in this case now, I want to tap on images. And if your Android phone does order by date, then it should be right there on top, like you see mine right now. And the easiest way to share this, by the way, is with Google Drive. If you don't have Google Drive and you have an Android phone, you're really missing out. Google Drive gives you 15 gigabytes of cloud storage, and that's 4 times the amount that Dropbox and OneDrive gives you combined. Almost 4 times, sorry. Teach math here. Anyway, so to get this into my Google Drive now so that I can get it onto my computer and use it if I need it, or at least save it, do a long press, and you'll get this little checkbox come up. From there, you tap on share, and then now when I first did this, I think these things, I had to scroll through a little bit to find what I wanted, but what I actually want is right there. I click on Save to Drive. And of course here I can, if you tap on the screen, your keyboard will come up, at which point you can rename this something. Just don't change the .png, because then the computer won't know what to do with the program. So you can change anything you want to except the suffix. Okay. Then from here, pick the Google Drive that you want to use. Mine is this default one here. And then you could pick a folder. So let's say I want a different folder. I can press the arrow. And let's say for some reason I want it in there with business cards, and I'm going to do something with the business cards. Okay, so now I tap on select, and then after select, I tap on save. And there you have it. That's all there is to it. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and feel free to contact me if you need any help with your computer at all, especially if you're right here in Honolulu, Hawaii, and would like to get a house call. Oh, got that nutty professor look again going. Don't worry, I actually comb my hair before an appointment. Have a great day, and God bless. Bye-bye.